Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass and welcome to episode 1 of Widget Wednesdays. Now if you didn't see my last video in regards to widgets, I'm going to be doing a video every Wednesday going over a specific widget pack or application and diving in deep to see exactly what it offers. So, let's take a look. So today we're going to be looking at a widget pack called Wolfie for KWGT. Now with this pack you're going to get 100 plus widgets and also 55 wallpapers, which is something that I'm starting to see more and more in widget packs. Much like you do with icons, you're going to get some additions of wallpapers and that's starting to translate over into the widget packs as well, and with this one you're getting around 55, although more are being added on a regular basis. You're also getting a ton of updates to the application as well, so recently there's been 2 new widgets added within the last week and you get a ton added every now and then, which is really good to see. Now as with nearly every widget application, you are going to need a custom launcher installed on your device, so in my case Nova Launcher, and you are also going to need a KWGT Pro app account, so you will have to pay for that, but you do get a ton of additional features. Now we've started off with Wolfie because it's one of my favourite widget packs that I've more recently found, and it's just got some really nice graphics, really nice artwork to them as well, and they look nice on pretty much any setup. However, as you can see from a lot of the widgets, you're going to get some thinner lines, you're also going to get some transparency as well, so I wouldn't necessarily use this widget pack with any sort of busy wallpaper. I'd go something very simple, maybe block colours, or like I've got here where the down half of the actual wallpaper is very busy, but up at the top you've got a really nice colourful area to showcase the widget. But as with most widget packs, you can't really talk about them in too much detail, but what I can say is these are some of the best widgets that I've been able to find on Android more recently. And that's going to do it guys for this video. Now if you did enjoy episode 1 of Widget Wednesday and want to see more moving forward, let me know by leaving a thumbs up down below, and you can also comment down there or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass in regards to any widget applications or widget packs that you want me to take a look at. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social networks, so Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, which are all linked down below, and also down there you will find the subscribe button, and I would definitely recommend hitting that and also turning on notifications so that you're notified of any new video that I upload. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.